Alright guys, so we're going to get started here by hooking up the net in the back. The unit was very fitting, but I wanted to make sure it was really secure and tight. So I just go in and apply the straps to the unit, and I'm just going to put that on. And majority here, I am just making sure that it is positioned correctly on my head. Reshifting it as needed to make sure that I apply it correctly to the right ends, to the right tips, to the right sides of my head. Alright, so I'm just going to get my skin ready for the application. So I'm cleaning off with 91% alcohol, just getting any residue, moisture, oil, or any buildup on the skin out the way and clean so that I can apply the glue. So I'm going to go in with my GhostBond glue, and I'm going to apply that all around the perimeter of my hair. Apply the wig, I go in with a comb and I apply a slight pressure to make sure that the glue and the lace is secure and melted into the scalp. Pretty much you watch me install the wig, lay it down, and I'm going to melt it down with a band. Now I'm going in with some slight pin curls, and I'm just going in and bumping the ends to give it like a slight bob style for the look that I'm going for. these curls and style my hair and do my makeup. I hope you guys enjoy this little slight short tutorial on how I install my unit. If you didn't want to see more, please don't forget to put in the comment section below. But other than that, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.